Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we'll discussing how to insert a YouTube video in PowerPoint. This is a great way to enhance your presentation and engage your audience. So without further ado, let's get started. So what I'm gonna do here, I already open up PowerPoint, you can see, and this is about like the chat GPT. If I say so, here I'm gonna use the YouTube video in here. So here I already open a slide, and here, so how can I do that? And go to the insert tab. In the insert tab you can see there's the few groups. From there's media group, and media group you can see there's the video. When I click in video, it says insert a video from. So where do you want to from? This device, stock videos and online videos. So I'm gonna use online videos. So here you can see enter the address for the online video. So I'm gonna link to YouTube in here. So I'm gonna use the first YouTube. Here I already have opened the YouTube, and from I want to use this YouTube to my slide. So how can I do that? In here, when I open the YouTube video, you can see there's options is about the share. Hit on the share. When I hit on the share, you can see there's few options like embed, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, email, and there's the different options. So I'm click the embed. When I click on the embed, you can see here's the embed, and here's the few tags in here, and in the down you can see there's about the start ad. So where do you want to start to in your video? So just click over here, or you can do that, just take your cursors to where do you want to take from start. So just take it first, like here it says the timeline 148 seconds. So go to a share again and go to the embed and start with the 150 here. Just what I'm gonna do, I just use the copy. Then when I press the copy, now you can see is the copy the link. Then go back to the your PowerPoint, and I just paste in here, and you can now see that there is the link in here, and hit on the insert. When I hit on the insert, now you can see this is the kind of the video. Before that, I'm gonna use insert and use the text box and just give the title, like if I say the chat GPT, and if I resize it and increase the font sizes like 24 and resize it. I can also do the design, save format, and use the different style, like if I say this one and change the word style, if I use like this one, and also I can do the little bit resize it. Then what I'm gonna do now, you can see this is the business idea with ChatGPT. When I click over here, now it will link to your YouTube. But before that, what I'm gonna do, click over the video, then go back to the playback. In here you can see also you can preview it by the play option, preview the audio or video clips with all the formatting change you made. You can just see it, but I'm using the video format. In here you can see the few options like the adjust video styles. Just you can use the video style with your different style, like if you want to do show your presentation as a 3D or the circle, you can just choose from them and it will show up to your presentation. So for now I'm gonna just use the simple one, like if I say the one, and if I change the video border with the color, you can change it. For now I'm just using this color, and here now is change the color. Then go back to again the video format, And in the video format, you can see there is also options the correction, improve the brightness and contrast of the video. You can just click there and you can choose your brightness if you need the more brightness in your presentation, but I'm using now the original one. Then there's also about the color, recolor the video to give it a stylized effect such as the grayscale or sepia tone. You can use from here if you want to use. Okay, but I'm now using the default one. And then there's an option, it's called the poster frame. Set the preview image for the video clips. So when I click over here, now you can see it's come with the two options, like is the image from file and reset it, but I'm gonna use the image from file. When I hit on there, you can find there is a few options like insert pictures from a file, browse file on your computer or local network, or you can use stock images unless your imagination with premium content from the stock images library, or online pictures, whatever if you want to use from the online, you can find from the online, or you can use the icon from search the icon collection. But for now I'm using the from a file from my computer. Just hit on the here, then you can see there's the some images, but I do have the another image, so for now I'm using this one. Let's see here. Now you can see it's changed the images. Okay, and you can just resize it with your cursors and use the shift and it will resize here. So just resize it if you want to show your video in here. Okay, move it wherever you want or in your slide. And then what are you gonna do when I click in here, and if I use as a preview, like punish here, when press the enter, is already linked to the, and see what we get. So ChatGPT really went all out. For now I just pause it. So easy step, just follow and link to with your YouTube. And you can also use the more video from YouTube. Just what can you do, just go back to again the insert, from insert video and online videos, and also you can click on here. Before that, what you have to do, you just open your YouTube channel, and if you want to use the video, if it is another video, just go back here, and if you want to use from 4 minutes and 111 seconds, so just select and go to the share again and use the embed, and here already come up with the seconds or the timeline, and use the start. Just click on that and copy and just cancel it. Then go back to again in the presentation and paste in here and use the insert. When I insert, let's see, it's now came, and move it where do you want to use. Just for now pause it, move your video where do you want to use, or you can use in the another slide here. And you can also give the title with the insert and the text box, you can use of them. And just go back again to with the video format and use the play for the preview, showing up your presentations. And that's it, you have successfully inserted a YouTube video into your PowerPoint presentation. We hope that this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorial like this. Thank you for watching.